Hello students, our topic number 31 is time series. Time series. A set of data depending on time is called time series. Any data which depends on time is called time series. Now first we will calculate trend value. Now what is trend? Trend is a component of time series. Trend is a component of time series that represents variation of low frequency, variations in low frequency like high and medium frequency fluctuations. Clear? Trend is a component of time series which represents variations in frequencies. Now first method is semi-average method. First method for find trend or calculate trend values are semi-average methods. Case number 1 for odd series. Now years are given, production is given. 1993 to 1999. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means odd series. Case number 1, when odd series is given, then production in tons is given. Now first calculate semi-average method. Means divide this series into two equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in odd series, skip middle term. Skip middle term. Skip middle term. Because it's not possible to divide odd series into equal parts. So skip middle term. Now in first part we have 3 numbers. In second part we have 3 numbers. 3 years and 3 years. Now find average. 3 year total. First 3 year total. Skip middle term. 6 plus 8 plus 7. 6 plus 8 plus 7 divided by 3, which is equals to 7. Now next 12 plus 14 plus 10. 12 plus 14 plus 10 divided by 3. We get 12. Now first semi-average is 7, another semi-average is 12. Now we will find annual change. Formula for annual change is annual change. Annual change is difference of semi values. Difference of semi values. First write formula. Difference of semi values divided by difference of 2 years to which semi-average value belong. Difference of 2 years to which semi-average value belong. 7 is belongs to 1994. 12 is belongs to 1998. Therefore, difference of 2 years to which semi-average value belongs. So we get difference of semi values 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 divided by 12 belongs to 1998. 1998 minus 1994. 1998 minus 1994. We will do here, which is equals to 12 minus 7, 5 divided by 98 minus 94, 4, which is equals to 1.25. Therefore our annual change is 1.25. 12 minus 7, 5, 98 minus 94, 4, 5 divided by 4, 1.25. Now our trend value is trend, TREND. 494, it is 7. 498, it is 12 by semi-average method. Now add 7 plus 1.25 to find next year. This is annual change, means trend for 1994 is 7. Then for next year, 7 plus 1.25 means 8.25. 8.25. Clear? No. Next one is 7. This is 94. Now we have to find value for 93, means minus 1 year, means 7 minus 1.25 means 5.75. Then this value is for 1998. This value is for 1998. Then for 99 plus 1.25 means 13.25. For 98, 12. Then for 97, 12 minus 1.25 means 10.75. And skipped value was 5. Therefore, write 5 as it is over here. So our trend values are this one by semi-average method for odd series. First one is 5.2575 for 93, 494 7, 495 8.25, 496 5, 497 this, for 1998 this, and for 1999 is this. These are trend values by using semi-average method in odd series. Now for next sum, case number 2, semi-average method for even series. Semi-average method for even series. Here it's easy to divide this series into two equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number of years are given. Divide first 4 and other 4. Part 1 contains first 4 and part 2 contains another 4. Now find 4 yearly total. 4 yearly total. 4 yearly total. Now divide this series into two equal parts. Semi-average means first divide into semi, then find average. First divide this series into half, then find average. First 4, next 4. Now 103 plus 110 plus 111 plus 116. Total is 440. 103 plus 110 plus 111 plus 116. Total is 440. For next 118 plus 120 plus 122 plus 128. Total is 488. Now average. Average is 440 divided by 4. Comes out to be 110. And 488 divided by 4, which is equals to 122. First semi-average is 110. Second semi-average is 122. Now annual change. Formula for annual change. Annual change, as we have done in previous example. CHANGE, change. Difference between semi-averages means 1, 2, 2 minus 110 and their corresponding years. Difference is 4, which is 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. So our annual change is 3. Now calculate trends. Trend value. Now trend is 110 minus 3 107, then 107 plus 3, 110. For next year, 110 plus 3, 113, 113 plus 3, 116. For next year, 116 plus 3, 119. For next plus 3, 122. For next plus 3, 125. Again 107 for first year, 110, 113, 116, then 122 and 125. Clear? Trend values by using annual change, by using semi-average method for even series. 107, 110, 13, 16, 22 and 25. So trend values for even series by using semi-average methods. Now next sum. Next case is moving average method. Next case is moving average method for odd period of time. Odd period. I am not talking about odd series. I said odd period. Now question is, year is given 1981 to 87. Production is given. Then find trend by 3 yearly moving total. 3 yearly means odd period. 3 yearly, 5 yearly, 7 yearly means odd periods. 4 yearly, 6 yearly or 8 yearly means even periods. Now we have to find trend by 3 yearly moving averages. Question is this. Now for 3 yearly moving total, for 3 yearly moving average, first find 3 yearly moving total. 3 yearly moving total. For 3 yearly, find 3 yearly moving total. 3 yearly moving means 3 yearly, first year, second year, third year. Then find total over here. 412 plus 438 plus 446. For next, skip 1, next 3. 438 plus 446 plus 454. First 3, then next 3, then next 3. 446 plus 454 plus 470. Then next 3. 454 plus 470 plus 483. Then for last 3. 470 plus 483 plus 490. These are 3 yearly moving totals. Now sum is for first 1296. This is 1338. For this 1370. For this 1407. And for this 1443. These are 4 yearly moving totals. 3 yearly moving totals. Now find average. Trend value. Next is trend value or trend. Trend is 3 yearly moving average. Trend is 3 yearly moving average. 3 yearly moving average means 1296 divided by 3. 1296 divided by 3 comes out to be 432. Then 1338 divided by 3 equals to 446. The next, this divided by 3, 1370 divided by 3, 457. The next, divided by 3, 1407 divided by 3, 469, and 1443 divided by 3 is 481. So these values are trend values. These values are trend values. 432, 446, 457, 469 and 481 by using 3 yearly moving averages. 3 yearly means total of first 3 terms, next 3 terms, next 3 terms and next 3, next 3. These are centered value. As we sum up this, the middle term lies between this, in front of this. These are centered values for odd period of time. Now next case. Next case is moving average method for even period of time. Moving average method for even period of time. Even period means find trend value by 4 yearly moving average. Last was 3 yearly moving average for odd period of time. Here it is 4 yearly moving average means even period of time. Again, sum is given from 1970 to 1979. Sales figures are given. We find trend by moving average method. This is a case of even period of time means 4 yearly moving average. First find 4 yearly moving totals. First find 4 yearly moving totals means total of first 4, skip 1, next 4, skip 1, next 4. Total of first 4 terms. Total of first 4 terms is 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 11. Then total of next 4 terms. Next 4 terms is 8 plus 9 plus 11 plus 10. Then total of next 4 terms. 9 plus 11 plus 10 plus 12. Then total of next 4 terms starting from 11 plus 10 plus 12 plus 8. Then total of next 4 terms starting from 10 plus 12 plus 8 plus 6. Then total of next 4 terms starting from 12 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5. Then total of next 4 terms or last 4 terms 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10. By summing up these totals we get for first one 35, next one 38, next one 42, next one 41, 36, 31 and 29. These are 4 yearly moving totals. Now next step is in even case 2 period moving total. 2 periods moving totals for 4 yearly moving totals of 4 yearly moving totals means this one 2 period. First one is 35 plus 38. 35 plus 38. Then 38 plus 42. 38 plus 42. Next 42 plus 41. Then 41 plus 36. Then 36 plus 31. Then 31 plus 29. These are 2 period totals of 4 yearly total. Comes out to be 73, 80, 42, 41, 83, 41 36, 77 36 31, 67. The next is 31 29, 60. These are 2 period moving totals of 4 yearly moving total. Now next step is trend value. Trend value is 4 yearly moving average. 4 yearly moving average. Trend value is 4 yearly moving average. Now 73 is a total of 35 and 38. 35 is a total of these 4 terms and 38 is a total of these 4 terms. Means 35 plus 38 equals to 73. 73 is a total of 8 terms. Clear? 35 is a total of first 4 terms. Then 38 is a total of next 4 terms. Means 35 plus 38, 4 terms plus 4 terms. 73 is a total of 8 terms. Therefore, to find average, we have to divide 73 by 8, which is 99.12. Then 80 by 8, 10. Then 83 by 8, 10.3. Then 77 by 8, 9.6. Then 67 by 8 divided by 8, 8.3. Then 60 divided by 8 comes out to be 7.5. These are our trend values. These are trend values by using moving average method for 4 yearly moving average. Means even period of time. 4 yearly, 6 yearly, 8 yearly are examples of even period of time. Clear? 73 means sum total of 8 terms. 73 is a total of 35 plus 38. 35 includes first 4 terms, 38 for next, same way for other terms. So for calculating average, we divide 73 by 8, 80 by 8, 83 by 8 for even periods of time. So this is a moving average by using even period of time. Now next, trend value by last method. Trend value by least square method. We have done this in regressions also. Least square method, very important method. Now question is this: 1979 to 84, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 17 productions are given. Find trend by taking 1978 as a base year. 1978 as a base year. If base year is not given, then take center year or middle year as a base year. If base year is not given, then take middle year as a base year. Here 1978 is a base year. Clear? First find X. X is deviation from 1978. Means question is by taking 1978 as a base year. Therefore, first calculate X, deviation from 1978. Means 1979 minus 1978. 1. 1980 minus 78. 2. 81 minus 78. 3. 4. 5. 6. Clear? This minus 1978. This value is Y value. This value is Y value. This is X value. Now calculate XY. Means 5 into 1, 7 into 2, 9 into 3, 10 into 4, 12 into 5 and 17 into 6. 5, 14, 27, 40, 60, 17 into 6 value is 102. Next is find x square of these values. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Now add all these values. We have n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Summation y equals to sum of these values 60. Summation x equals to 21. The summation xy equals to 248. The summation x square equals to 91. Now normal trend equation is y equals to a plus b x. Now calculate value of a and b by using normal equations. Normal equations are summation x equals to na plus b summation x and summation xy equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. These are normal equations. Now by putting values of this, n equals to 6, summation y, summation x, summation xy and summation x square, we get 60 equals to 6a plus b summation x plus 21b. For next summation xy is 248. 248 equals to 21a plus 91b. Now this is 6a and 21a. Comparing the coefficients of these two equations, multiply this equation by 2. Multiply this equation by one is 6a, then other one is 21a. Name it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now multiply equation number 1 by 7 and equation number 2 by 2. 7 into 6 42 and 21 into 2 42. Then we will equalize coefficients of a. Therefore multiply this equation by 7. We get 420 equals to 42a plus 147b, and this by 2. We get 496 equals to 42a plus 182b. Now solving these equations, we get b equals to minus 76 equals to minus 35b, which implies b equals to 2.17. Now put values of b in equation 1. We get 60 equals to 6a plus 21b, 2.17, which implies 60 or 6a. 6a equals to 60 minus this equals to 14 minus 4, 3, which implies a equals to 2.40. A equals to 2. Now we get a equals to 2.40 and b equals to 2.17. Put these values in this equation. A equals to 2.40 and b equals to 2.17, and x is this one and x is this one. Now for x equals to 1, our value is a is 2.40 plus 2.17 into 1. For this value, 2.40 plus 2.17 into 2. For this value, 2.40 plus 2.17 into 3. For this value, 2.40 plus 2.17 into 4. For this value, 2.40 plus 2.17 into 5. For this value, 2.40 plus 2.17 into 6. By calculating these equations, we get for first 4.57, for this 6.74, for this 8.91, for this 11.08, for this 13.25, for this 15.42. These are our trend values. Trend values. By using least square method, by using normal equations, by using 1978 as a base year. By two normal equations we get a equals to 2.40 and b equals to 2.17. Put this equation in trend equation. Y equals to a plus b x. A is 2.40, b is 2.17. So these are trend values.